Okay, so we got these sliders that we all know they're a bit painful because you got to do it one-handed, but you got to use both of them together to get them out. So what we're going to do is a bar going across like that, and all it is a screw going in, solid aluminium, lift up, pull out. That simple. So what we've done here, got a bar, drilled a hole, solid thing, drilled a hole through here, and then fill it in. Screw it in like that. Too easy. Thank you. So yeah, just a tip is you got to go drill your hole at least 10 mil back, because you want to hit the steel. If you go a little bit too far to the end, you will just go through plastic. Okay, that's all. And 1/8 drill bit. And what else I need to say is 12 mil bar. That's what we're using. Bit of 12 mil bar with a